Hey everyone, today I want to have a real conversation about R+Co Badlands. It's widely considered the most versatile product in the entire lineup, but I want to break down why it actually works. Usually if you have fine hair, you're juggling 3 or 4 different things to get volume and texture without the grease. Badlands is unique because it attempts to do all of that at once. It's a dry shampoo paste. That sounds like a contradiction, right? But it's that matte finish and reworkable hold that makes it different from a standard spray. I'm seeing this show up in a lot of expert content for 2026. There's real search momentum here because people are tired of cluttered medicine cabinets. They want one thing that works. The heavy lifting comes from volcanic ash from Hawaii and zeolite from Japan. They don't just sit on the hair, they actually help balance the scalp and absorb excess oil throughout the day. Then you have coconut and argan oils. In fine hair, you need that nourishment to keep things from looking brittle, but these are balanced so they don't weigh you down. It's 1 part dry shampoo, 1 part styling paste, and it's 100% badass. Plus, it's TSA approved, which is a huge win if you're traveling light but still need your style to hold up. How you use it matters. Start with a small amount. Rub it between your fingertips until it's warm. You want it to be almost invisible before it hits your hair. Apply it to second-day hair right at the roots. If you need even more volume, you can actually use it on damp hair with a blow dryer. It acts as a fantastic builder. The scent is Relative Paradise. It's earthy, with Sicilian lemon and eucalyptus. It's not overpowering, which I appreciate in a product I'm going to smell all day. Is it for everyone? Maybe not. But if you have fine hair and want to simplify your routine while adding serious texture, this is the one I'd recommend starting with. I've put an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. It really helps support the channel. Let me know in the comments what you think.